one way I've described this place is that we are, to begin with, in terms of an ancient geography, in one of the great rift valleys in the world. As the continents formed and tore apart, there was this enormous rift which is central through the Atlantic. There is another great rift in Africa. There's one in Central Asia, and there is here. And it's where there was simply a great, huge opening in the earth. And unlike, say, the San Andreas Fault in California, where everything is in tension and rubbing together, this is where things relaxed and fell apart. It is this strange opening. And reflecting that, in many ways, Albuquerque is this opening that welcomes all kinds of things. You know, in so many ways, there's not a lot of oppressive critique here. So, okay, I love going shopping terrible places, and so Albuquerque Crazy Liquidators is full of more strange, mostly useless stuff, but I saw the glimmer of the edge of this in a torn box. That was $2, so that's exactly my happy place. Having gotten conveniently old enough for Social Security and Medicare back in whatever that was, 2010, I started doing the sort of hobbyish things that people do. And finishing a piece of furniture one day, I realized that I was having so much fun with the paint and the paintbrush that really what I was doing was painting. So I collected all the spare blocks of wood and started doing paintings on the blocks, and by a few months later I had a show, and suddenly I'm making something called art instead of something called architecture. I have shown in coffee shops and alternative spaces and legitimate, highly respected galleries. Levy Downtown, UNM Arts Lab at North 4th is when I can pull together my constructions, which are getting to be more active, literally active in the sense of motors and fans and things, with video and light, and then with innovative musicians who will make improvisational soundscape kind of compositions. Architecting isn't there to do when the construction industry isn't providing opportunities for me to build things I might be happy to build. I can get my playset out. I got out of Chicago because I was working for the largest architectural firm in the world, and I got the sense that even though I was getting to do exciting things there, that I didn't like the life that it was going to lead to. And I happened to see New Mexico. I was on a vacation and had been to the West Coast and was on my way home without any other idea than to get home. And Ended up giving some hitchhikers a ride to Cerrillos, and it was late, so they said, hey, stay over with us. So the next morning I wake up in Cerrillos, which at the time was the hippie underground capital of New Mexico. There's that nickname for Santa Fe, the city different. Well, my nickname for Albuquerque is the city indifferent. What's our motto? Whatever. And at times, people with more curated tastes, they don't really get it that when there is an opening, there is a chance for anything and everything.